you stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
So currently driving 15 kilometers per hour. If you're wondering why I just took that inner cut or inner corner, that is to get as straight lines as possible when I am baling. So oops. So when I rake, I will reverse back and take one extra or one less to make the lines as straight as possible. And when I'm doing the headlands, I drive with the front mower out, just because that is the easiest way. A lot easier to aim inside the fence when I am aiming with the front mower instead of the side one. And the PTO is going on 1,000 RPM. So it is currently 3rd of July. Last year we took first cut 4 days later, but the growing season has been a lot better this year. We was actually planned to start silage a week ago or so, but it has been raining every day the last week, so we just had to wait for the sun. So now we'll mow down all at once, because it looks like the weather is dry for the next week. So the plan is to rake fields tomorrow evening. I will probably get done with mowing tonight, and then I will be baling in 2 days, or 48 hours from now. This is actually the field that we seeded last autumn. I can get a link up here so you can watch the video.